Okay, guys. Good morning. We already made the first pre-market trade. Uh, so we're up 191. Let's see what the market can do right now. We got the opening bell coming here in a couple of seconds. Okay, market is open. Okay, first trade was a loser here. So I'm gonna just disable the momentum. It was enabled. I mean the scalper 208. So I disabled it, and we're on the momentum. We're up 124. Let's see how it goes. The Friday says I don't expect the market to be like the weekends, like Monday, like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday sometimes are a little bit slow. Now almost won the long, and the market decided to reverse. So it almost they get break even. It got into profit a little bit, but buyers were absorbed by the sellers. So there's nothing we can do. Unfortunately, this long didn't get filled, so we missed out. This long was a winner. Again, didn't get us filled, didn't retrace, so we just went without us. Two winners in a row, we didn't get them filled, so it is what it is, guys. Well, he came back and made us the fill. Okay, won that one too, up 441. Just need one more trade. Being a Friday, guys, I would stop there. I would stop there, really, because. But I'm gonna continue just for the viewers to enjoy what the software is doing. If I lose this one, I will stop, guys. It's Friday. I don't want to be messed up. I just want to wait for power hour. So again, it left us. Market is just pushing. It's just pushing and pushing. Okay, the profit is reached. As you can see, the daily profit reached 683 and the momentum 208. Okay, guys, that's it for today. We're gonna continue with the Nasdaq. So we shut down the ES for now. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching. Remember, if you're interested, send me an email, guys. I will be shutting down the sales after the end of the month. Okay, so just to let you know. Okay, contact me.